No cold, no flu, no COVID for me as we approach the end of winter next month. All due to me staying connected to the earth. One simple way to stay connected to the earth is if you can sleep with your window up. Another way to connect to nature is by drinking. Herbal teas helps keep your body internally clean. But my favorite way of connecting to nature is by going into nature. Nature is the source of our physical life and healing. When we isolate ourselves from nature, it pre-exposes us to illnesses. And nature is so beautiful every season. The greatest place to find peace and tranquility. Nature is also the best place to connect with your creators spiritually because they do not dwell in buildings built by hands. We are led by their spirit within us. When we isolate ourselves from our creators, it causes us to get spiritually ill, which threatens our life, our everlasting life. It is vital that we take in spiritual food regularly by paying attention to what the Spirit of God has to say to our spirit. Our creators are the source of our inner peace, joy, and happiness. Staying connected to nature and ourselves spiritually helps us to stay physically and spiritually fit, keeps us from getting sick.